After trading for quite some time, I have seen the ins and outs of trading, especially when it comes to trading capital. I realized that trading capital can mean the difference between you actually succeeding in trading and you continuing on your path to failure. Now, in this video, I'm going to address a very popular issue among Forex traders, especially traders who come from third world countries or less privileged homes where they cannot afford to trade a large account which is in thousands of dollars, right? You know that everyone is not born equal. Some people are born with a silver spoon in their mouth. For example, they have parents or relatives who can give them enough trading capital for them to quickly see success. For example, you will find someone can be able to afford, say, $50,000, deposit that money and start trading it. Now, if that person makes a profit of 1%, that is already $500. If he makes 3% a month, that is $1,500, right? Now, if you come from a less privileged background and you cannot afford that kind of money, you are going to maybe be able to afford, say, $100. Now, if you make 1% of $100, that is going to be just $1. I think you guys can see the difference. If you make 3%, that is going to be $3. How long are you going to trade like this in order for you to actually succeed? That is why, guys, we need to really take care of this capital issue, right? In this video, I want to introduce to you guys a very nice prop firm that I have discovered of recent. I have seen some of the features they are offering and I see that it is really good. That is why I want to bring it to you guys, my audience. You guys who have been with me from day one, you've seen the struggles, you've seen how we've grown together, and I want to take you along with me and offer you some of these prop firms that I have actually seen to be legit. Now, in this video, I'm going to introduce to you guys Hola Prime. It is a fast rising prop firm that is trustworthy. I've looked at the reviews and I have also checked them out myself, and I have seen that they are offering what traders are actually looking for. So I believe this is going to be very nice and of value to you if you jump on board. Remember, guys, when you choose to sign up with Hola Prime and start on your journey to getting funded, please use the link in the description and in the first pinned comment. There you will find a discount code where you will get 30% off on all your purchases. Any account type, you'll get 30% off. Now, guys, without wasting time, let me take you onto the screen. Let's look at some of the features that Hola Prime has to offer. Some of you guys have been saying I'm only showing you $50,000 accounts, $100,000 accounts, but in this video I decided to start a challenge with just $10,000 account with Hola Prime, so that you guys also who can be able to afford this 10k challenge can also jump on board, because the 10k challenge is not expensive, less than $70, as we will see on the screen. So guys, let's go onto the screen and let's get started. The first thing that I've always told you about prop firms, especially their websites, is their homepage. The homepage is like the doorstep into these prop firms, right? Or into any person. Like if you go to visit someone, their doorstep can show you what the inside of their house could be looking like. If the doorstep is very dirty, then the inside of the house might also be dirty. That is why a homepage of any website has to be clean, and that is actually what you see here on the Hola Prime homepage, right? So they have a very nice intuitive website. As you can see, the layout is very easy for you to be able to access any menu and any feature that you may be looking for. All right, so here we are on the homepage for Hola Prime. And Hola Prime offers both Forex trading in CFDs and also futures trading. We'll look at some of that in depth in the upcoming videos in the future. But for now, let's look at the main features. So here we're going to be looking at Forex. Now, the first statement you're going to see on the homepage is "We are traders." And that is something that puts confidence back into you as a trader. These are traders facing the same problems that you also are facing, right? You trade Hola Prime money or you choose to trade your own money. Now, if you compare these two, just as I told you in the beginning of the video, it does not add up. If you're trying to trade a $100 account to try to grow it until you start making significant amount of money for you to be able to see yourself succeed, then you are actually walking a very, very difficult path. You'll be trying to flip the accounts, trying to flip it and grow it to maybe 5k, 10k and all that, so that you can start seeing those big gains with less risk. But if you continue doing that, it is going to be very difficult, and the chance of you blowing that account is going to become very high as compared to someone who has a large amount of money to trade. The person who has a larger account can be able to manage their risk better. All right, so let's go and look at some of the main features that Hola Prime offers. As I told you, they do offer forex and futures trading. I will also get into futures in some future videos. I'll get started with trading futures, but for now I am going to only be looking at FX trading. Now let's look at the account types that Hola Prime has to offer. Then I'll take you onto my dashboard and show you the account that I've got and what I plan to do with it, right? So when you come here, you see that Hola Prime is built for your success. That is a message that adds confidence to you when you are actually trading with Hola Prime, right? So here you see that they have categories, right? They have forex and they have futures. For this case, I have selected forex. Here they have types of plans. They have 3 types of plans, which is the 1-step challenge, the 2-step challenge, and the direct funding. Now the 2-step challenge is that standard challenge that you guys know from all prop firms, right? And that is also the one that I like to trade because it is the most traditional way of trading prop firms, right? Here I'll choose the 2-step, and then I'll choose prime. You can also choose pro. There are some differences, but you can choose prime. For me, I'm choosing prime here, right? And then we'll look at an account like, for example, 10K. So you can see as you changing here to the right here, there is this menu right here, or this card right here that shows you the price, and also it shows you the product category, shows you the account balance, trading currency, the platform that you have chosen right here. Then it shows you your targets, right? The maximum daily loss of 5% for this case that I've chosen, and then the overall maximum loss, which is 10%. The profit target is 8% and 5% for phase 2. You can also use my discount code in the description of the video to get 30% off, but here you already have a really good discount, which is 40% off. So here, after I've chosen this, I can choose my platform, which is MT5, which is the most popular one, and then I can go and click here to get funded and go and check out and pay for this account right here. Let me just click here so that we can look at the trading rules, which you guys are so much interested in, because if a prop firm is hiding the trading rules, it's most likely that they will deny your payout when you reach payout stage if they are hiding the rules. That is why Hola Prime makes it a priority to show you the trading rules without hiding them for all the account types, as you can see right here. So when I click on 2-step prime right here, I can be able to read all the trading rules, right? As you can see here, trading rules, daily loss limit. You can go to the website and then you can read through all this. All the rules are clearly stipulated right here on the website, right? So if you click on trading news here, it will tell you in Prime Challenge and Hola Prime accounts, there is no restriction for trading during any news hours, allowing traders to take advantage of market volatility and execute trades without restrictions during high impact news. As you can see, this is what they call real trading. Many prop firms restrict traders from trading during high impact news. But tell me, in real market conditions, if there are any forex broker that restricts you from trading news, it's not there. Hedge funds, large institutions also trade during these news events. So why would a prop firm restrict you from trading the news? It's because they don't have you in mind. They want you to fail. During the news, the market can move into your direction and maybe even hit your take profits quickly, right? And they don't want to see that. So if you see a prop firm which is restricting you on trading news and all that, that is a red flag. Hola Prime is not a part of that kind of stuff, restricting traders in that way. Hola Prime sets your hands free for you to trade as a trader is supposed to trade, and that is an A to Hola Prime. So guys, you can see all this is actually shown here. Your risk per trade idea should not exceed 2% of the account size. This is nice for the risk limits. You don't risk more than 2% per trade idea, meaning if you have, for example, a buy trade or buy setup on gold, don't risk more than 2% on that setup. It's simple. In most cases, professionally, you only are supposed to risk 1%. I personally don't risk more than 1% per trade idea, but here Hola Prime gives you even more breathing room to be able to risk up to 2%. So you can go onto the website and then you can be able to read at your free time. Use the link in the description, guys. Get started with Hola Prime today. Get yourself an account and start trading. This year 2026, I am looking at getting at least $500,000 in funding, and I want you guys also to be on that journey, right? Some of you have already got funded with some other platforms I introduced, but this is an addition. This platform has a great future. I see the features that are actually being offered by Hola Prime are meant for a trader to succeed. So I want you guys also to jump on board. Use the link in the description, guys. Get started with Hola Prime and also get started on your journey. Let's go onto my dashboard and I'll show you guys what account size and account type I have got. As you guys can see, I already have a 10K two-step Prime account. I started it, I got it on the 5th of May this year, and you can see it's MT5. And when I click here to go to the dashboard, I haven't taken any trade yet. Now, of all the platforms I've been showing you guys, I think I can rate Hola Prime as the one to have the cleanest dashboard. It has a very beautiful dashboard which shows you all the metrics very clearly, and it's very nice. It has this light mode and then it also has the dark mode, as you guys can see right here. This is a platform that is really on the cutting edge of technology, right? And the way they display their things is just simply amazing. So here it shows you everything at a glance. As you guys can see, I haven't actually taken any trades, but I'll start the challenge also very soon, and I'll be showing you guys video updates on this challenge right here. So you can see that I have the bi-weekly one. So when I start trading this challenge here, I'll also be updating you guys as I go along. But I want you guys to get serious. Stop just watching the videos and you just watch and then ask yourself why you're not progressing and succeeding. Jump onto this, use the link in the description, get started, get a challenge account and push forward with this. All right, Hola Prime is a platform that I recommend you to start with because they have very good account types, and they have account types that you can start with very good trading conditions. So that is it about my dashboard. Let me go back again to the home page and show you guys the accounts in more detail so that we can be able to be on the same page. I want to show you different account types so that you guys can follow along and see which one you may like to start with, right? So here on the screen again, their home page. When you go down, we'll be able to go back to the accounts and the account types here, right here, and then we can be able to choose these account types according to the sizes. So they all start with a $2,000 account, which is very cheap. You can see it's just $14. Tell me guys if you cannot afford $14. Most of you guys, if you're a trader, you can afford $14. If you can't afford $14 as a trader, you shouldn't be trading. I'm telling you, you shouldn't be trading. So these accounts start with a 2K account, which is here one step. A two-step also starts with a 2K, and it is just $9 for a two-step challenge. This one here, Prime, right? The one step is the one which is $14. And let's look at the direct also. You can see it starts with the 2K direct funding at $45 US. So if you don't want to go through the challenge phases and all that, you can go to direct funding for $45. Using the link in the description, you can also get a discount using my discount code, which I'll leave in the description of the video. You can see here guys. So let's look at the standard one, which is the two-step, and you can see you have 2K, you have a 5K account, and then you have a 10K here, which we've looked at, have a 25K, a 50K. Guys, I've been trading with pro firms, but this is the cheapest pro firm I've seen at the moment. It's the cheapest. Use the link in the description, guys. Join Hola Prime. Let us all start trading. Let's all be on our way to getting funded. And when you look at a 200K account, for example, this is simply amazing, guys. You can also be able to choose any type of trading platform. In fact, Hola Prime offers the most trading platforms that I've seen with any pro firm. So you can choose all the trading platforms here, from MT4 all the way to Match Trader, C Trader, Trade Locker, DX Trade. All of them are available right here. So guys, without taking much of your time, this video has been just a video that I have recorded from my heart to you guys, hoping that you guys will sign up with Hola Prime and let's all trade together. Let's all get funded. This is the cheapest way you can get into funding using prop firms. Hola Prime is giving you that opportunity, and I'm giving you a discount code of 30% off any plan that you see using the link in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that like button and comment down below with your thoughts, guys. Till the next Hola Prime video, thank you for watching. Peace and out.